You tired, Charlie? Oh, that's nice, Charlie. That was very nice, Charlie.
It's all gone.
Yes, it is. It's all gone now. Thank you. You little chipmunk.
Whoa!
Hi.
Did you ever go on Disney on Ice? Ant!
Disney on Ice?
Ant.
Yeah, there's some ants here. My daughter Lily used to eat ants.
Her?
No, she's my granddaughter. Oh, I need those, okay?
No! Cooler game things.
Those are my photo thing for the camera. Hey, hey, hey. Charlie.
No. So that's your husband?
Yeah.
You look young, like super young.
Thanks.
What does this say on the cracker?
I don't know. We threw away that box because it had poop in it.
You should have read it
My wife and I both work,
first.
so
Yeah.
she wants to have this one to have a litter, so we never had her fixed. Neither one of us have time to be home and take care of puppies until they can take care of, you know. So I think we're just wasting time to wait to get her fixed. I think we're just gonna take her to the vet and get her fixed. The idea of her having a litter and stuff like that, it's cute and all that, but when you're both working, sometimes
There's nothing on there.
Tag your
It's broken.
tag.
Oh, I can't play tag now. I gotta call my mother and tell her I can't come yet.